We are going to review top 5 best bike workstands. Let's get started. List number 1. BIKEHAND Bike Repair Stand, max 55 pounds. You need a bike repair stand to take care of swapping tires, lubing a chain, adjusting the derailleurs, or building a new bike. The bike stand must be good looking, heavy duty, light, foldable, portable, adjustable and good value. BIKEHAND Bike Repair Stand is one of the best available choices. Patented 360-degree rotating clamp. This allows the bike sitting at any angle by clamping on the frame tubes or seat post. And it is very easy to rotate the clamp by turning the handle. It is also very stiff after locking. It is better to clamp on seat post for your carbon bikes in order to avoid damaging the carbon frame. List number 2. CXWXC Bike Repair Stand. 360-degree rotable clamp and height adjustable body clamp with lever can hold your bike super steady. Adjustable height makes sure your waist comfortable during work. Durable aluminum alloy barrel, lighter, no corrosion, easy carry, easy storage, intensity of aluminum alloy tested, can afford max load 60 pounds bike. Tool tray with magnet. Big tray has customized place for different tools, more space efficient, also magnet can collect screws and nuts without missing. Front well no shake. Titan rod included in the package won't let the front wheels swivel when you are working. The Titan rod is also length adjustable. List number 3. SONGMICS Bike Repair Stand with quick release. You need a bicycle repair stand that will make it easier to change tires, lubricate chains, adjust the drivetrain, and reassemble the bike. This repair stand needs to be beautiful, solid, foldable, portable, and a great value. The SONGMICS repair rack is the one you've been waiting for. Say goodbye to the days of doing bike repairs on the ground or using your shower rod as a makeshift repair rack. With this Pro Bike Repair Stand by SONGMICS, you can elevate your bike to a convenient level for easy access, making your repairs and maintenance less strenuous and more enjoyable. When you need to bring your work on the go, simply open the quick release handle, fold it up and store it in your car. It's that easy. List number 4. Home Mechanic Bicycle Repair Stand. A workstand is perhaps the most essential tool for anyone working on a bicycle. Elevating the bike off the ground allows full use of the drivetrain, frees up the hands, and prevents neck and back strain from hunching or kneeling over a bike that is upside down or precariously leaning against a wall. The Park Tool PCs 9.2 is a basic bike workstand designed and built for the home mechanic, a stable way to hold nearly any bicycle for adjustments, cleaning and repair. The PCs 9.2 is the perfect stand to upgrade your home shop. List number 5. YAHEETECH Pro Mechanic Bicycle Repair Workshop Stand. Folding adjustable bicycle bike repair stand rack. Mechanic black. High quality bike repair stand features with 360 degrees swivel head and adjustable height. It is convenient to use our bicycle repair stand no matter you're sitting or standing. Covered by plastic, the clamp keeps your bike in place and protects the paint of your bike nicely. Made from sturdy metal, this bike workstand can hold up to 66 pounds 30 kilograms. It is a perfect choice for bike enthusiasts, bike clubs, bike shops and bike repair shops.